What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing LED headlights on my Gen 3 S1000. Depending on where you find these headlights, usually they range from around 450 to like 600, 650 bucks. Here they are. They have like a nice like angel eye design on the outside. To install the headlights, it will require removing the front fairing. The front fairing is held on with 14 bolts, all of which are Torx T25s, and then you got 4 10mm nuts holding the mirrors on. So the first thing you want to do is unplug the headlights. You're going to press this in and then pull the plug out. Same thing on the other side, but the tab is on the top. Then you got 2 bolts in here on both sides. You're going to undo those. You're going to take the mirror nuts off and remove the mirrors because that's holding the fairing on as well. Then you got 3 bolts right here. You got 1 right here, 2 on the sides. Some people like removing the side fairing, but it's not required. So you're going to remove those on both sides, and you got 4 bolts under here, 2 on each side. Once you remove the 14 bolts and 4 nuts, you could go ahead and start maneuvering out the whole fairing. You want to be extra careful not to scratch anything because you still get the side fairings on here. Alright, we got 3 bolts on each side. Same thing, Torx T25s. Got 1 right there, 1 down there, and 1 back here. Same on the other side. A very important step once you remove your old headlights, you want to take the U-nuts off. So the U-nuts go right here. You want to remove them off your old lights and transfer them over to the LEDs. Otherwise, if you don't transfer these over, then you're going to have nothing to hold these bolts in, because that's where they bolt into. And it's going to require removing the whole front fairing again, or at least moving it up a few inches so you get access in there. So do not make that mistake. Alright guys, I finished putting the headlights in and the front fairing back together. I threw a new windscreen on there as well. There it is guys, the finished product. Let me know what you think. I am going to have to remove this again in the future because I got to get this piece out to swap it out with the carbon fiber one. Just hasn't arrived yet from Germany. Turn them on. Definitely gives it a more modern look. And it should increase the visibility at night as well, because we got the LEDs in there. Upgraded the windscreen as well. Got a few more mods to install.